Hey guys, today I found a stack of some of my dirtiest NES games, and we're going to be cleaning Mission Impossible. And in some other videos, I'm going to be cleaning the other games. I chose these games because they had writing on them and were really dirty. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my Game Bit driver and unscrew the 3 screws in the back of the cartridge. Now that I've taken the board out, I can see that the contacts are very dirty, and I'm going to use a bit of Brasso to clean them up and make them shine. Now, I'm going to try and work on removing that Sharpie. And the first thing I'm going to try is a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Since the rubbing alcohol didn't work very well, I'm going to try a Mr. Clean Eraser. Now, I'm going to clean in the grooves of the plastic because there's a lot of dirt coated in there. I'm now going to remove the Sharpie from the back of the game. It's now time to clean out the end of the cartridge, because that's where a lot of dirt builds up. And finally, I'm going to start putting it all back together. Now, it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.